Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to turn on or off Microsoft Edge web widget in Windows 10. So firstly open Microsoft Edge, then click on this three dot, scroll down and hover cursor to more tools, and here guys option you will see launch. So if you have any supported version of Microsoft Edge or Windows, so here you will see option. So just now it's in beta version, so if you have that option, so you can turn on or turn off web widget from here, and you will see option launch web widget, and you can turn on or turn off. So thanks for watching guys. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and also comment you have this feature or not.